The salary trap. Why employees rarely build wealth. If salary made people rich, employees would be richer than their bosses. But they're not. The truth is uncomfortable. Your salary was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to keep you stable. Stable enough to survive, but dependent enough to return tomorrow. And until you understand this, you will keep working hard without ever moving for war. We were taught a simple formula. Go to school, get good grades, find a stable job, work for 40 years, retire peacefully. Sounds safe, but here's what no one tells you. A salary has a ceiling, and wealth has no ceiling. Those are two completely different games. Let's break this down logically. You have 24 hours in a day. If you sleep 8, work 8, and commute, eat, live for the rest, you're left with maybe 4 to 5 usable hours. Your salary is tied to your time. No time, no money. Even if you earn $5,000 per month, to double it, you must work more hours, get promoted, or switch jobs. But every option still depends on your presence. You are the engine, and engines burn out. That's the trap. Wealth is not built by working more hours. It's built by owning things that work without you. Now let's talk about something most people ignore. Salary is the most heavily taxed income. Before your money even reaches you, it's reduced. But asset owners? They earn through capital gains, dividends, businesses, real estate. The system rewards ownership, not effort. This is why two people can work equally hard, but only one builds wealth. The difference is not intelligence. It's structure. Here's where it gets dangerous. A salary feels safe. It pays your rent. It covers your bills. It gives predictability. And comfort is addictive. You don't feel poor. You just feel busy. But 5 years pass, then 10, and your lifestyle increases with every raise. New phone, better apartment, car upgrade, more subscriptions. Your income grows, but your freedom doesn't. That's the middle-class trap. You earn more, so you spend more, and you remain exactly where you start. Now listen carefully. A salary is not bad, depending only on it is. Your job should not be your wealth plan. It should be your capital generator. Your job funds your assets. Assets build your freedom. That's the shift. You don't quit your job. You use it. How wealth is actually built. Here's the real formula. Income, surplus, investment, asset growth, reinvestment, compounding. Let's simplify. If you earn $3,000 per month and invest $500 consistently into assets that grow, over time, those assets begin generating income. That income buys more assets, and eventually, your assets earn more in a month than your salary does. That is the moment the game changes, because now you are no longer trading time for money. Money is working for you. This is what investors like. Warren Buffett understood early. Not hustle, not burnout. Own or ship. What you should do now, if you rely only on your paycheck, here's your move. Increase your income strategically. Learn high-value skills. Control lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade every raise. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Focus on assets, not appearances. Your car doesn't pay you. Your clothes don't pay you. Your apartment doesn't pay you. Assets pay. Why you? You don't become rich because you work hard. Millions work hard. You become rich because you own. Own equity. Own businesses. Own investments. Own assets. Your salary is your starting line, not your finish line. And the moment you stop seeing your paycheck as the goal and start seeing it as fuel, that's the moment your financial life changes. Work for money and you survive. Make money work for you and you escape. The choice is yours.